At part number 693935. This is your 12,000 through 16,000 pound oil cap kit for your Carter axles and your Lippert axles. It comes with the rubber plug and it also comes with the O-ring, and this baby can actually be used on Dexter 12,000 pound axles and 15,000 pound axles, and the old style 10,000 pound axles as well. The only real difference between this one right here and the 21-36 oil cap that's commonly used on the 12K Dexters is that this one has a deeper spot in it right here to accommodate the castle nut that the Lippert axles have and the Carter axles have. As you can see, it's much deeper, so the advantage of that is it'll actually hold a lot more oil for you. But that's the only real difference between this cap and the 21-36 cap. So this cap can be universal all around for the Dexter, the Lippert, the Carter axles if you want it to, because it has the same threads on it, same diameter, 4 inches. So really, you can get this one if you're not really sure of what brand axle you have. This will cover all the grounds right here. And you can get this at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687. Thank you.